The area of the square, the area of the rectangle, the area of the triangle and all. Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, mom.
So can you tell me that what is the area of a square?
Side
Yes?
square.
Side square. Very nice. And if I'm asking like how to find the area of triangle,
Half into base into height.
okay, so what if you are not having height? How you are going to find the area of triangle then?
Mom, like we'll simplify it like using the
How?
given. They will be given base and then we'll find the height.
Okay. Like suppose they have given you base, okay, and the triangle is scalene triangle.
They would
Then
have given the area also.
area we are supposed to find. Area we need to find. Okay. And the triangle is a scalene triangle only. All the sides are of different measure. Then how you are going to find the
Mom,
area?
the addition of all sides.
Addition of all sides. That is the perimeter. That is not area. When we are talking about boundaries, then that should be the perimeter. Area is the region that is enclosed within the boundaries. Correct?
I request all the students to participate. Seriously, this is a nice conversation.
Ma'am,
Ja, Naveen,
Yes,
Raj.
yes.
ma'am, I guess you'll use like Heron's formula, like you'll do each side, then you'll add them, then you'll divide it by 2, then you'll do side multiplied by side minus 1, and then side minus 2, side minus 3, then that will be the area.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Akshita. Yes, good. Okay, so can you tell me that what is the area of an equilateral triangle? Do you know that for equilateral triangle we are having like different formula to finding the area?
Ma'am, but isn't all the sides same, so?
Yeah, all the sides are same only.
Ma'am, wouldn't the same formula be applied though, the Heron's formula only?
Yeah, we can do that, but still we are having some different formula for area of an equilateral triangle. Do you know about that?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Pritesh.
Yes, mom.
Yes, tell me.
Like, yeah, you can ask the question. Yeah.
What? Sorry.
What's the question?
I'm asking, do you know that the area of an equilateral triangle?
Side into side into
Harshini,
side.
Pooja, yes. How it could be? No. Harshini, Pooja, Naveen, do you know about the area of an
Side plus
equilateral
side.
triangle?
Half into base
That is
into
the
height.
perimeter only, Pritesh. Yes, Harshini.
Okay, area. Mom, half into base into height. Okay.
No. Okay. So for an equilateral triangle, we are having one separate formula to find its area, that is root 3 by 4 side square. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you know how? Why this formula we are applying over here for an equilateral triangle?
No, mom.
No? No worries. No worries. So Akshita, you told me about that Heron's formula, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so in this class, we are going to cover about that Heron's formula only. And through that Heron's formula, by using that Heron's formula only, we are going to figure it out, the area of an equilateral triangle as well. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, seems interesting, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
For that topic, what I'm going to
Yes,
do,
ma'am.
I will be sharing my screen with you all. Okay? And on my screen, you will be getting one PPT. And on that particular PPT, we are going to have like few of the formulas and the questions based on Heron's formula. Yes? Ready, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
My screen visible, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
mom.
Yes. So I asked like what is the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle? So that is root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, root 3 by 4 a square, and a is what? A we are taking as side. So root 3 by 4 side square. Correct? Now I asked like how can we say that the area of an equilateral triangle should be this only? Okay, so for that particular purpose, we are having one formula which is Heron's formula. Okay, and that is named after the name of the scientist Heron. Okay, so that's why this formula name is Heron's formula. Now the question is, what is that Heron's formula? Correct? Okay, and why we are using this Heron's formula when we have half into base into height? That is the simplest formula what we can use to find the area of a triangle. Then why we are using it? Okay, sometimes in the question, the triangle what is given to us is a scalene triangle. Okay, in which all the sides are of different measure. Okay, so it's sometimes quite difficult for us to finding the height of the triangle. Okay, because all the sides are of different measure, and sometimes the height is not actually a median, and that is not making a right angle triangle. So it is quite difficult for us. Correct. So that's why we are using, and that's why we are learning this Heron's formula. Got it? Now, what is that Heron's formula? So this Heron's formula is saying whenever any triangle is there, doesn't matter whatever the measure of the sides are. Okay, it is scalene, it is equilateral, it is isosceles, whatever the triangle it is. Correct? So what we are supposed to do, we need to add all the sides of the triangle. Like suppose it is A, it is B, it is C. So we will add all the sides first. Okay, what we will do? We will be adding all the sides first, and after that we are dividing it by 2. Got it? And that will known as semi-perimeter. Okay, that thing will known as semi-perimeter, which is we are going to represent by S. Understood? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Pritesh, you were saying that adding all the sides. So, in this formula also, we are going to add all the sides, and after adding all the sides, we will divide it by 2 to find the semi-perimeter, which we are going to represent by the letter S. Understood?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it? After that, what we are going to do, we will be using the formula, which is known as Heron's formula. And for that, we will be doing, okay, here. I'm directly taking you towards the formula. Okay, so area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, and how we are going to prove it, how we are getting the area of equilateral triangle as this, like 3 by 4, root 3 by 4 a square only. For that, what we are going to do, we will be using Heron's formula. That is what? Heron's formula is gonna be your semi-perimeter, which is S. Okay, after that, we will do S minus first side. Whatever the first side is, it is A. Then we will do S minus second side, okay, which is B, okay. And after that, we will be doing S minus third side, which is gonna be C. Got it, everybody? And
Yes,
after
ma'am.
that, we will be putting all the things in the square root, okay. That is gonna be our Heron's formula. Okay, and since here we are talking about an equilateral triangle only. So in equilateral triangle, as we already know, that the length of each and every side is same. Okay, so here we are taking all the sides as a unit. Okay, here we are taking the length of all the sides is a units. And when we are putting it in the formula to find the semi-perimeter, we are doing a plus a by 2. So by doing it, we will be getting 3a by 2, correct? That is gonna be our semi-perimeter. Understood? And after using Heron's formula, that Heron's formula is S, which is semi-perimeter, S minus A, which is first side, then S minus B, which is second side, and then S minus C, which is gonna be third side. Got it? Okay. And what is S over here? S is 3a by 2. So we will be writing 3a by 2. Okay. Then after 3a by 2, we are supposed to do 3a by 2 minus a. Okay. Then we will do 3a by 2 minus b. Then we will do 3a by 2 minus c. Okay. And now we need to solve it. After solving it, we will be getting 3a by 2 times a by 2 times a by 2 times a by 2. When we are solving all these things now, because 3a minus 2a gives us a by 2 only. And here also 3a minus, okay, since all the sides are a only, so here also we are getting a. And here also we are getting a by 2. Correct? And here we are getting 3a by 2. Got it? And all the things are under square root. Correct? Now how we can remove that square root? So for removing the square root, what we can do, we will try to make the pairs. if it is possible. Okay, so here if we are going to make the pair, so we can see that 4 A's are here. Correct, everybody? Are you able to find out 4 A's over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can see 4 A's over here. So when we are going to make the pair of A's, so we will be getting 2A. Okay, what means the side is square? A is what? A is side over here. And when we are making the pair of A, so we will be getting the square of A, which we can write as side square. Got it, everybody? Okay.
Yes,
And when
ma'am.
we are moving towards the denominator, so we can say 4 2's are here. Correct? And when we are going to make the pair of the 2's, so we can take 2 2's out of that root. Okay. And when we are multiplying 2 2's together, we will be getting what? 4. Correct? Yes. When we are taking out 2 2's from this thing out of this square root, we will be getting 2 2's, and 2 times 2, we are getting 4. Got it? So after solving the whole thing, we are getting root 3 by 4 side square and a square. Okay, that is what? That is the formula of equilateral triangle.
Triangle.
Understood, everybody?
Yes.
Yes? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, the final area, the formula is root
Root 3
3a
by
by
4 side square.
yes.
Okay, that is what? That is the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay, and this we have solved by using the Heron's formula, which is this. For that, first we need to find the semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C, whatever the sides are there. And all the sides we are going to name as A, B, and C over here. So first we need to add all the sides, and after that we are supposed to divide it by 2. And whatever we are getting as a value of S, we are supposed to put it in the formula, which is S, and in the bracket S minus first side, then S minus second side, then S minus third side. And we are going to put the whole thing in the square root. Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having any doubt
No, ma'am.
till here? No doubts?
No doubts. Clear, ma'am.
No? Okay, everyone. So now, why we are using this Heron's formula, why it is important for us? So not we can select why it is important for us. Why we are using it and how it is helping us to use this Heron's formula. So this Heron's formula allows us to calculate the area of a triangle using the length of the sides only. Okay. If in the triangle no angles are given, that is also okay for us. Okay. If in the triangles all the sides are different, that is also okay for us. Okay. Doesn't matter whether the triangle is scalene triangle, the isosceles triangle, the equilateral triangle, we can find the area of a triangle by using this Heron's formula. Understood, everybody? Yes?
Yes.
Have you all written Heron's formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we are having one question over here where we are supposed to find the area of a triangle whose sides are 12, 6 and 14 centimeter. Okay. Whose sides are 12, 6 and 14 centimeter. We are supposed to find the area of triangle. Just try to figure it out. Yes. Sides are 12, 14, 12, 6 and 14. Have you written the sides, everybody? Sides are 12, 6 and 14. And you are supposed to find the area. Yes, everybody, are you done?
Um,
Your sides are 12.
Everybody got the question? Has everybody got the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm still solving it.
Yes, yes, please take your time.
Yes, everyone, are you done?
Ma'am, the sides are 12, 6, and 14, right?
Correct, yes. The sides are 12, 6, and 14.
Ma'am, I'm getting 35.7 centimeters square.
You can leave your answer in root form as well. If you are getting your answer in a root, then you can leave it in that form as well.
Ma'am, it's 1, 2,
192.
under square root.
Ma'am, I got 192 root.
192.
Ma'am, mine is 1280 root.
See, when we are finding the area, okay, so first we need to find the semi-perimeter, correct? For finding the semi-perimeter, we need to add all the sides. And when we are adding 12 plus 6 plus 14, we are getting what? We are getting 32. Correct, everybody? And when we are doing 32 divided by 2, we are getting what? We are getting 16. Okay, so 16 is gonna be a semi-perimeter. After that, we are supposed to put it in the Heron's formula. So for that, what we will do, we will put 16 here as it is. And after that, we will do 16 minus 12. Okay, 16 minus 6 and 16 minus 14. And after that, we are supposed to put the root on the entire thing. Okay, after that, we are getting 16. 16 minus 12, we will be getting 4. 16 minus 6, we will be getting 10. And 16 minus 14, we are going to get 2. Correct, everybody? Okay. After that, what we are supposed to do? Since we are supposed to find the square root, so for finding the square root, we have very simple formula, which is the prime factorization method. Correct, everybody? Yes, we will do the same thing only. So for 16, what we can write? 16, we can write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Yes. For 4, we can write 2 times 2. Got it, everybody? Okay. For 10, we can write 2 times 5. And for 2, we can write 2 times 1 and 2 only. Okay. After that, for removing this square root, we need to make the pairs. This 1, 2. This another 2. Okay. Then after that, we are having another 2. Okay. After that, we are having another 2. And this 5 is all alone. That's why this 5 will remain in the form of root. And everything will be out of root. And when we are solving it, we will be getting 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and we are getting what? 16 root 5 centimeter square. Understood, everybody?
Yes.
Got it? Okay, when we are going to solve it, like for finding, when we are multiplying everything and then after that we are finding the square root, it will be a very, very tricky process. Okay, it will be a very tricky as well as the time consuming process. Okay, we are not going to devote that much time to one question only. Understood, everybody? Anybody is having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's have one more question. In this question, okay, this is a like little different pattern question. Here we have a triangular plot and whose side is given to us in the ratio which is 3:5:7. And the perimeter is also given to us, correct? So first we are supposed to find the sides. And how can we find the sides? Yeah, Pritesh, tell me, how can we find the sides if the ratio is given to us?
Ma'am, sides, ma'am, A plus B plus C by 2.
Nah, Pritesh, this time ratio of the sides are given to us and perimeter is given to us. First, the measurement of the sides are not given to us. Correct? First, we are supposed to find the measurement of the sides. And how can we do that?
Ma'am, A plus B plus C is equals to perimeter.
Yeah. Okay. So the same thing we will apply over here. We already know na, the sum of all the sides is giving us the perimeter. So we will follow the same thing. So this 3 we can take as 3x, this 5 we can take as 5x, this 7 we can take as 7x, correct? And when we are going to add it, so that is equals to the perimeter, which is 300. Correct, everybody? And when we are solving it, 7, 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15x, we are getting as 300. So the value of x we are getting as 20. So our side should be 3 times 20, 60. 5 times 20, 100. Okay. And 7 times 20, 140. Correct, everybody? So now we are having the measurement of sides. Now you need to tell me what should be the area.
Just write down what is the solution group.
Okay. Now you need to tell me what should be the area. And who is gonna tell me? I will, you can direct me all the steps. I will write it over here.
Ma'am, so I have a doubt, ma'am. Instead of like in the place of S, ma'am, we can take 20.
Yeah, because the value of x is 20 na. So we can put it over here. 3 times x, which means 3 times 20, we are getting 60. 5 times 20, we are getting 100. Correct? This is the process what we are doing till now.
But in the formula, like what?
No. In the formula, we are supposed to take all the sides. All the sides are 60, 100 and 40. 140. Okay. So this time the sides of the triangle are 60 meters, 100 meters and 140 meter. And we are supposed to find the area.
So, ma'am, A is equals to 60, B is equals to 100 and C is equals to 140.
Absolutely. Now tell me who is going to direct me all the steps. I will write it. I will write it here for you. What we need to do first?
After this, to find the area, you need to find the semi-perimeter.
Correct.
Which will be 60 plus 100 plus 140
Yes.
divided by 2, which will be 150.
Absolutely correct. And after that?
After that, we'll do 150 into 150 minus 60, since that's the first side. Then it'll be multiplied by 150 minus 100, since it's the second side. Then it's be 150 minus 140, which is the third side.
Very nice.
After this, you'll get 150 into 90 into 50 into 10.
150 into 90 into 50 into 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
So, ma'am, after this, I have a question. Do we divide it by 2 only, or should we take a
No.
different?
Why we need to divide it by 2? We
Ma'am,
will do the prime factorization.
Yeah, I meant the prime factorization only. Like,
yeah.
So we do it 2 times, right?
Just do it. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 150 you are getting?
Ma'am, I didn't do it after that. I'll do it.
Okay, 150. Okay, let's make it super easy. 150 you can write 30 times 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just take it 5 times 30 over here. Okay, directly I am taking. Now you will say, ma'am, it's not a prime factorization, but we are taking it. I will let you know why. And this 90 we can write as 30 times 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Okay. Now this 50 can we write as 5 times 10?
Yes, ma'am.
And this 10 can we leave it as 10 only?
Yes, ma'am.
Why we are doing it?
Ma'am,
Because
we have paired the 5
correct. Yes. Because from this we are getting the pair of 30. We can take it out. Okay. And after that we are getting the pair of 10. We can take it out. And after that we are getting the pair of 5 as well. We can take it out this as well. Okay. And square root has been removed. When we are solving it, we will be getting
1500 under
yeah.
root 3.
Yeah, that will be the area then.
Ma'am, under root 3 is also there.
Under root 3, yeah. Under root 3 is also there. So that will be our area.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So like this, we have make our whole calculation very easy. Okay. Otherwise, it is going to take a lot of time. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Anybody is having any doubt?
No.
No? Okay. So one more question for you. Okay, one traffic signal is there that is in a shape of equilateral triangle.
Ma'am, can you go to the last question once again? Okay. Ma'am, so last part I have after that the left part. Last part, can you just explain it again?
Yes. So when we are finding the square root, na, that we have learned in a grade 8, correct? So for finding the square root, we need to do the prime factorization, and after doing the prime factorization, we are supposed to make the pair, correct? So here we are getting the pair of 30. So from this one pair, we can take 130 out. From this pair, we can take 110 out. From this pair of 5, we can take 15 out. And this root 3 is all around. That's why it will remain in root 3. Understood? And after that, whatever we are getting, we will multiply.
Okay, ma'am, understood. Yeah.
Got it? Okay, this question. Now here we are supposed, okay, one signboard is there that is in a shape of equilateral triangle. Okay, we are supposed to find the area of the signal port using Heron's formula if the perimeter is 180 centimeter. It is an equilateral triangle. The signboard is in the shape of equilateral triangle having all the sides as A and the perimeter is 180 centimeters. So first you need to figure out the side. Tell me what will be the side.
60.
Very nice, 60. Okay, now we are supposed to find its area by using side as 60.
Ma'am, it would be 900 under root 3.
Very nice, very good. Very good, Akshita. Yes, Harshini, tell me.
Ma'am, now the A1, if the sides of the equilateral triangle, all the sides are A, then all the sides is equal.
Yeah, all the sides are in that is very obvious, na? Since it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are of equal measure, correct? And the perimeter is 180 centimeter. So since all the sides are equal, so A plus A plus A, we will be getting 3A, correct? And the value of 3A is already given to us in the question is equals to 180, correct? And when we are going to put it equals to 180, so we will be getting the value of A as 60. Correct? We are getting the value of A as 60 over here. So we are getting the side as 60.
Yes, sir.
Got it? And when we are getting the side as 60, so we are supposed to use 60 as the side. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
And when you are using 60 as a side, so what area you are getting? Just tell me.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, question is same only.
Okay. Can you repeat the question, ma'am? I didn't hear
Yes.
properly.
I'm saying since if the side is 60, then what will be the area?
I did.
So for finding the area, the first step needs to be, you are supposed to find S. That has to be 60 plus 60 plus 60 by 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you are doing it, you will be getting what?
180.
180 by 2. Correct? 180 by
80
2
by
will
2
give
is
you 90.
9.
Correct? And now you
Yes.
need to put 90 in the formula.
As
At the
ma'am.
place of S, you are supposed to put 90.
Yes, ma'am. 9 root of 90. 90 minus
Root of
60
90, then 90 minus 60. Yes, do it, do it.
into 90 minus 60, and that's it. 90
Yes,
minus 60
yes.
minus 90.
Try to simplify it. You are getting 30 times 30 times 30. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, now you need to simplify it. Okay, how can we do it? Again, this 90 we can split as 3 times 30. 30 is
Again,
already
30.
there. Again 30 is there. Again 30 is there. Correct? We will make the
9
pair of 230. 30 will be there. Again 230. 30 will be there. And this root 3 is all alone. 30 times 30, we are getting 900. 900 root 3. And that would be centimeter square. That is the area of this triangle. Got it, everybody? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, got
Okay.
it.
Now anybody is having any query, any problem in any of the question?
No, ma'am.
No? Anybody
No,
wants
ma'am.
to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Yes?
Bujali.
Yes, Yash, Nelan, Harshini, Jana,
No,
Akshita.
ma'am.
Any queries, anyone? No?